Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is how to win UK49 lunchtime. In this short video I will show a little technique. From this technique you get one or two number from previous result. So let's start. First of all, 23 March 2023 result. Now technique is go one week ago, 23 March 2022. 23 March 2022 result 04 10 11 15 27 32 45, and the 45 is a single number in our 23 draw. 22 March 2023 result lunchtime. 22 March 2022 result, and you see, first of all, 38 23 two numbers come. A little technique: take previous result, same date but previous result, 1 year back result, and you get one or two number from previous result. Play as a single and double also. 21 March, first of all, 08 08, accurate first number. 33 33, accurate fourth number. 20 March, same, bonus ball come as a single digit. One more thing, mostly previous draw bonus ball number come in our draw. 20 March bonus ball come, and 23 March bonus balls come, and 21 March 22 March two numbers from previous result. A little technique, but it's always work. So a short video with a short technique. Thank you. If you want 25th March prediction, go one week ago, 25th March 2022 result. Play all number as a single and double also, you get a specific amount. Thank you.